Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest beauty and personal care products. Today, we're diving into the world of nail care with a focus on one of the best tools for achieving salon-quality results at home, the Nail Buffers 100 Pack by AhaTopia. If you're looking for the best acrylic nail file on the market, look no further. AhaTopia's nail buffers are designed for both professionals and at-home users who demand precision and quality in their manicure routines. Let's explore what makes these mini buffer blocks stand out. First off, these nail buffers are crafted with top-quality materials. They feature EVA sponge and high-grade sandpaper, ensuring durability and a smooth buffing experience. The dual-sided design offers versatility with 100 grit for filing and 180 grit for polishing, perfect for shaping natural nails or smoothing out acrylics. At just 1.4 inches by 1 inch, these mini buffers are incredibly portable. Toss them in your purse or travel bag for on-the-go touch-ups whenever you need. Whether you're prepping nails for polish, gel, or simply maintaining a natural look, these buffers handle it all. They're ideal for both beginners and seasoned nail enthusiasts. With a pack of 100 buffers, AhaTopia offers exceptional value. Stock up for your personal use or for professional settings like salons and spas. Start with the 100 grit side to file down any rough edges or uneven surfaces. Switch to the 180 grit side to smooth and polish your nails to a perfect finish. Enjoy salon-quality results without leaving your home. These buffers are a must-have for anyone serious about nail care. Whether you're a DIY nail enthusiast or a professional manicurist, having a reliable tool like the nail buffers from AhaTopia in your arsenal ensures consistent, beautiful results every time. To wrap it up, AhaTopia's nail buffers combine quality, convenience, and affordability in one neat package. With their sturdy construction and dual-sided grits, they cater to all your nail buffing needs effortlessly. Ready to elevate your nail care routine? Click the link in the description below to get your own set of AhaTopia nail buffers today and experience the difference for yourself. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell for more honest reviews on products that matter. Until next time, keep pampering yourself with the best in beauty. Thanks for watching.